Hi everyone, I find myself carrying my phone in my hands very often. So for convenience, I suggest you knit this stylish accessory a phone bag. This bag will not only free your hands, but also speed up answering important calls and messages. Oh, yes, she's also very stylish. The bag consists of 2 pieces. One I have already crocheted so you can orientate yourself on the size. Since I plan to carry my phone in this purse, I used a phone case as a base. The size of the crochet parts of the bag should be slightly larger than the size of the phone case. Let's start crocheting the second piece. It is exactly the same as the first one. Make many chains. The amount should be such that the chain is larger than the phone case by 2-3 centimeters. Periodically, I measure the size. Crochet onwards. And a little more. If you look at the pattern, now we have to start crocheting the second row. To do this, make 3 chains up and 1 chain from the pattern. Make 3 chains up and 1 chain for the pattern. Counting back 3 loops, the 4th loop will be the corner of our rectangle. According to the pattern, we have to skip 1 loop to the left, and in the next one we have to crochet a double crochet. Or to put it more simply, count 5 chains from the hook and make a double crochet. One chain for the pattern. Skip 1 chain and in next loop make 1 double crochet. Make 1 chain. Skip 1 chain and in next loop make 1 double crochet. Make 1 chain. Skip 1 chain and in next loop make 1 double crochet. Make 1 chain. Skip 1 chain and in next loop make 1 double crochet. And continue to the end of the row. I compare the dimensions of the 2 parts. The dimensions must match. And make last double crochet. Make 3 chains up and 1 chain for the pattern. And turn the piece. Crochet a pattern, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Form a net. Thread the double crochet over the double crochet in the previous row. Crochet further in the pattern. Don't forget to measure your size. I'll crochet another row. The 2 parts for the bag are ready. All that's left is to sew these parts, and the bag is ready. While crocheting these pieces, I'll hide the tails. I will have the piping of these pieces in a contrasting color. To begin, insert the hook through the 2 pieces and grab the thread and make a chain. This will secure the thread. I insert the hook through the first and second piece, grab the thread and make simple crochet. And I connect all 3 sides of the bag in this way. Now we're going to tie a strap. It'll be a chains. Connect the other end of our strap to the bag. And we hide the thread. I suggest we try on our phone bag. It's perfect. Thank you for being with me. Create, invent, realize.